Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bacon omelet. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, 2 slices of bacon, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You'll also want some shredded cheese and fresh chives for a perfect finish. Make sure your non-stick pan, whisk, and spatula are within reach. This simple breakfast is quick and delicious. Next, let's get that bacon perfectly crispy. Place 2 slices of bacon in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Cook until golden brown and delightfully crunchy. Once done, remove the bacon, drain any extra fat, and crumble it into small, bite-sized pieces. Leave about 1 teaspoon of that flavorful bacon fat in the pan for the omelet. Now for the omelet base. Whisk 2 to 3 eggs vigorously with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are light and frothy. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan with the bacon fat, melting it over medium-low heat. Once the butter is foamy, pour in your whisked eggs, gently swirling the pan to ensure an even coating. As the eggs cook, wait until the edges are set but the center is still slightly moist. Sprinkle your crumbled bacon and shredded cheese over 1/2 of the omelet. Carefully, using your spatula, fold the other half over the delicious filling. Slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and garnish with fresh chives for a beautiful and tasty breakfast. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.